Hello viewers, I'm Sadia Khan and you're watching YouTube channel Learn with Sadia. So in this particular video, we are going to do little practice of parts of speech. Okay, so we will consider few examples and try to understand the definitions of different parts of speech. So if you want complete information, please watch the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you. Several writers wrote about education. Here you can see the word several and the word about. They are in different color. So we are supposed to identify to which part of speech they belong to. Several and about. Okay. Now, so here first you identify what is writer. Here writer is a noun. So any word which tells about a noun is, you know it better. So what is about? About is a small word which usually connects different elements in a sentence. So guess the answer. Now here are the answers. Several is adjective because it is describing a noun, and the word about is a preposition. So preposition is nothing but a word which relates two elements in a sentence. Next example is the hungry dogs are howling. How are the dogs? Dogs are hungry. Dog is a noun. So any word which describes a noun is, guess the answer. So hungry is an adjective. Okay, it is pronounced as adjective because D is silent here. So adjective, it is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Moving to the third one, people eat vegetables across the world. People eat vegetables across the world. Vegetables is a thing, world is a place. So guess the answer. Vegetable is a noun, world is also a noun. So a noun is nothing but a naming word which will usually indicate name, place, animal, thing, quality or a feeling. Thank you. Moving to the fourth one, an idea can change a life. Okay, idea is a quality, it is a noun here. An idea can change a life. Here you are supposed to identify to which part of speech an belongs to. So in this sentence, an is adjective. It is of course an article, but as a part of speech, it is adjective because in this particular sentence, it is speaking about a noun. Moving to the fifth one, food is a necessity for life. Here you can see the word food and life in different color. So identify the part of speech for the word food and life. So food is a noun because it is a thing, life is also a noun. It is a naming word which denotes the name of a person, place, thing or an object. Okay. Now, sixth one, I invited him to the party. Instead of using his name, I'm using him. Instead of a noun, I'm using the word him. So, what is him? So, it's an obvious answer. Him is pronoun. Any word which is used in the place of a noun is called as pronoun. She is interested in painting. You can see the word interested in different colors. So identify to which part of speech the word interested belongs to. Answer is adjective. The word interested is adjective in the above sentence. It is a word which tells about noun or pronoun. Moving to the eighth one, he completed the whole work successfully. The word whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole, it is in different colors. So identify to which part of speech it belongs to. He completed the whole work successfully. So here whole is adjective. See, when we say he completed the whole work, who completed the whole work? He completed the whole work successfully. So here the work as well as he, they are nouns and pronouns. So it is describing about noun or a pronoun. So it is an adjective. The woman beside David is my cousin. So it is very simple. It is a small element connecting a noun or a pronoun. Okay. Beside is preposition. So preposition, it is a word which relates two elements, which relates two small elements of a sentence. Okay. She has two children. Here the number 2, TWO 2. It is given in different colors, so identify the part of speech. See, just have a clarity about what it is describing, whether it is noun or pronoun. If it is describing a noun or pronoun, as simple as that. So what is the answer? To is adjective. See, to is describing the word children. It is telling about children. Children is noun. So to becomes adjective. So adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Treatment heals wounds. Here you can see the word heal is in different colors. So identify the part of speech for it. Treatment is noun. Wound is also a noun. Coming to the last sentence, don't say you don't agree with me. Here it is an expression which is followed by an exclamatory mark. Now it's very easy to guess this answer. Yes, is an interjection. It is a word which is used to express a sudden feeling of emotion, excitement, sorrow, or any sort of emotion. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it right now. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Like, share and comment as well. Thank you.